We have a new design. Look at that. So this design is I made it for LED strips. So the engraved section there, that's where the LED strips are going to run across. But in rows, from there all the way, that last bit of tape there, and there's going to be another row on top as well. As you know, this section has been a change of plans. So I am making a prop weapon from Destiny 2. I am currently making an Airbrush scout rifle. I'm going off topic here. And that's going to be mounted up there. Up in that general space at an angle, like almost like at an angle like that. On that wall, up there, Elsie's pulse rifle is going to be mounted up to there. There's no time to explain. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to these time lapses and get these shelves printed. Guys, you're not gonna believe it. If you remember back in the first video how my room looked with LED strips, you have no idea how much I miss that. And it's taken me this freaking goddamn long to finally get another set, because the set that I've got currently, well, let's just say they're gubbed. But these ones are a little bit more expensive. This is not a product placement for this brand. Let's get to installing. The lighting has been improved dramatically with just by adding the LED strips. Now, this is just the beginning. I want to show you something. Now, I totally forgot that my light bulb, you know how I've been moaning about it constantly? Well, let's just say I totally forgot that it has certain features that I forgot about. Let me change colours. I totally forgot about that. Let me show you. Bit of a warning. If you have seizures from lighting issues, I would advise you skip this part of the video. Just a bit of a warning for you. Look at that. I totally forgot about that. Oh yeah, back to work, people. It is finally becoming like a home. Honest to God, it's been a while and I'm finally putting the shelves up. I will be putting up a couple more. One there, obviously the Xbox will need to go back on its side again. And then one there. But when it comes to here in particular, I don't want to get shocked, guys, okay? So how I'm going to tackle that is the last piece that's going to go here is going to be slightly different in design compared to them pieces. The reason why is because the shelves for that area is going to be like a bridge, like bridging one piece to the next piece. because I don't want to drill the wall, and I don't want to get shocked, and I don't want to capture that on video. I don't want to traumatize you. So that's what we're gonna do. So once I get to that bit of the wall, and then the last piece is going to be designed differently, almost like a jigsaw puzzle, is the idea behind it. So guys, that's the end of HQ vlog 5. The next vlog we will be fixing that area and clock housing. I am so sorry, but it will be fixed because I'm moving soon and I don't want to leave it like that, and it will be fixed. I've got plans to fix that. So there will be more shelves being put up there, but don't worry, there's going to be no massive holes. It's just wee small holes, because I figured out that these shelves actually are really good with raw plugs. You know, the plastic ones, these ones. Also really good with these, which is cheaper than the metal ones. See you in the next one.